Welcome back to the mix, and making it in the mix is Dwayne, as he and his follower speaks about the pictures that have been shown on social media, and Dwayne believes that it's because these people are supporting him, or they're his followers as well, and that's the reason why the pictures were exposed. Also, he says that misery love company, and because of that, he's not going to go into anything too deep. But Dwayne is upset about the situation, and he believes it's because these people are his followers why this is happening to them. Dwayne says that he knows that they will be cursing him out, but he's not going to look back. He's not going to look at them, so it's whatever. Now, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and watch out for the video.
I pity you. I pity
I don't know if
you,
she
man.
come for me because I'm a supporter. I don't know, but she can't say I commit anything about her.
Rose, I am 100% sure. I'm not going to speak for nobody. I'm going to speak for you. All you do is encourage, and even more encourage. And I thank you for being in my corner, because without people like you saying, Dwayne, don't ignore it. I promise you, every day I'll come my page, I'll be cussing that dog. Every day I'll come my page, I'll be cussing. But people like you in my corner, like someone guiding me, thank you. Don't be discouraged. Don't let this look a mad woman discourage you, because you are.
Like I said, if putting up my picture and calling my name adds something to your life, go right ahead, because it surely didn't take anything away from mine. So I'm on my job right now, and I'm doing great, so that's fine. That's fine. I just don't associate my name saying that I leave you alone. Leave you alone with what? What did I do to you? I haven't done anything to you.
The levels. To show you the levels, she's willing to do anything, guys. Anything for cash out. Imagine. You see, I put out my picture. She said, oh, my mama posted.
Dwayne, calm down. I don't know, because the only body that I ever commented on their page was you and 13, because I just followed 13 the other day, and I commented something. I don't know where she get it from. Maybe somebody wrote something and I like it. I don't know.
Listen, you are allowed to like whatever you want to do. Hold on. Who pays your internet bill?
My husband.
Okay, if it wasn't your husband, who would have paid your internet bill?
I actually don't pay no bills. My husband pays the bills.
I'm saying, if your husband wasn't paying the bills, who would have paid your internet bill?
Myself.
Okay, so you are allowed to do whatever you want to do. Social media is big enough for everyone to listen. You can go to any page you want to go to freely, and don't have to feel like to say, if you go there, people's going to bash you, people's going to put out your pictures. That is wrong. And to show you the levels of person, only uneducated people that is lacking education behaves the way this mad person behaves. I mean, I take it back. You need to be banned from social media.
I saw my name up there and my picture saying, leave me.
I was shocked. When he called me, I was shocked.
I haven't done any, not even an angry face. Yes,
Hold on. What? Okay, since you put out your picture, what I wanted to do is come out and show exactly what you've done to her that warranted her putting out your picture.
I don't know.
It's not going to be nothing. It's going to be nothing.
I'm not doing it.
It's going to be nothing.
Like I said,
she's putting out you guys pictures. She's putting out you guys pictures because you guys support me, and she sees you guys in my comments.
And I'm definitely not going to post Jamaican ones.
I'm saying she's putting out you guys pictures because you guys are supporting me, and she sees you guys in my comments.
I guess that's what it is.
I don't know why my mom's calling me. Ignore it, Rose. Ignore it, please. You are being You are an
I mean,
amazing
my girlfriend was
person.
laughing because we thought it was funny. Like, we thought it was funny. Okay, I'm going to go back on the live. You take care and simmer
God bless
down.
you.
Bring it down. Don't
I'm
let
good.
these
I'm,
people draw
I'm
you out.
great. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. I promise you, I'm great. I just got a little bit pissed off for you, not for me, for you, right? It breaks my heart
Like I
to
said,
hear.
if they put not my picture add to her life, go all right ahead. It didn't take nothing away from mine. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm good. I'm good.
I'm glad.
I'm good. I was a little, don't get me wrong, I was a little upset.
I'm pretty sure anyone would be upset.
To you, but
Anyone would be upset. Anyone would be upset. I would be upset too. Knowing if I knew for a fact I don't go around making trouble, I don't speak anything negative about anyone, and for this person to go and do me like this, like, it would bother me too. It would bother me too.
But you know what? I'm not gonna raise my blood pressure
Don't.
over it. I'm not gonna.
I'm gonna
raise
pop
my
a pill
blood pressure
soon.
over it.
I'm gonna pop my.
She put my picture up. That's fine. That's okay. Like I said, if it add to her life, go right ahead. It didn't take anything away from me. Nothing.
Just know
I'm so gonna
you're loved.
support you.
You're loved. Your family loves you. I most definitely love you, even though I don't know if you're kind of thing. You truly are an amazing person. Thank you for always encouraging me. I'm speaking from my heart right now. Yes, I've had a little drink. However, a drunk man tells no lies, or someone under the liquor tells no lies, right? Thank you for always encouraging me. Thank you for always saying, Dwayne, you know, just thank you for always trying to guide me the right way and let go all of these negative energy. You know, just thank you. Thank you.
Dwayne, go in and curse this body. I will call and say, Dwayne, why did you do that? No, don't do that. Dwayne, no. I encourage you. And I don't know. But like I said, misery loves company.
Exactly. That's why I started my life and said misery does love company. Just don't give them your energy, because that is what they want. Right? That is what they want. And I know, hear me, Rose. I know. They're gonna take the land and all curse me. But I'm not look back on it. I'm not gonna look. I promise you, so cuss away. Have a field day. Have an amazing day.